What's up, y'all? It's your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my vlog and stuff like that. Okay? Alright. What I want to talk about is this ugly looking 55-year-old man. Okay? This ugly looking 55-year-old man stalking little girls and other type of children, filming them saying, I'm going to turn you into a woman. I'm going to make you famous or do whatever. Okay? I'm like, this guy's a sick, perverted nutcase. You know what I'm saying? And let me tell y'all something. You know what? I never, I never ribbed anybody on my show before. You know, I mean, I never made fun of anybody on my show before. Okay, so let me say this though. I can't believe I'm about to do this, but here we go. That dude so ugly look like a funky Santa Claus. You understand? He's so ugly. I mean, that dude, 55 years old, stalking little kids. Man, you the most ugliest, funky, ugly Santa Claus ever. Okay, you 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 probably smell funky. Probably bathing in sewage water. Okay, you look like a rat on crack. You look like a rat on crack. Okay, man, you so ugly. You know Santa Claus, Mrs. Santa Claus wouldn't want to divorce your ugly looking funky self. Man, you know what? I'm like, why you can't find a woman your age, huh? Why is you trying to mess around with little kids? I know why. Cause you ugly and funky. All right, that guy. Let me tell y'all something. That dude looked like Santa Claus on crack. You understand? That punk looked like Santa Claus on crack. Yes, indeed. You know that dude so ugly. He. All right. Let me say this. All right. All right. Check this out, y'all. That dude so ugly. Beyonce will run away screaming, going, "I don't think the ugly looking Santa Claus is chasing me!" Ah! I'm sorry, Beyonce. I don't mean to say that about you. I love Beyonce, you know. But technically, I want to say this. That dude's so ugly. I mean, I ran out of ideas. Look like Dan Schneider on rocks. All right. Yes, indeed. I'm sorry, yo. Alright. So, like I said, that guy's so ugly. I'm like, who would want to date an ugly Santa Claus like this? Look at him. A ugly looking Santa Claus on crack. Yes, indeed. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. I like. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all better set your chimneys on fire. Light a fireplace so that Santa Claus character don't come down your chimney. Okay, bastard is so fat he could destroy people's chimneys. Yes, indeed. Ho ho ho! I don't take baths. Yeah, he probably don't take baths. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, y'all. I never made fun of anybody on my show before. Never did. Okay, but that dude is so ugly. That man so ugly. He can say, "Ho ho ho! I'm ugly and stupid. Can't find a woman my age." Ho ho ho! All right. Yes, indeed. You know. Let me tell y'all something. Hide your kids. Hide your wife. You hear me? So that Santa Claus is out to attack. You know what I'm saying? So let me tell y'all something. Y'all better keep y'all kids inside. Might turn them into reindeers. I'm just joking about that part. But technically, seriously, keep y'all children inside. Because no telling what that Santa Claus punk gonna do. That guy's a Santa Claus punk. A funky Santa Claus punk. That's what he is a funky Santa Claus punk. Yes, indeed. Okay. All right. So, like I said, I don't normally talk negative on my show, y'all. But I'm just making fun of him. You know, he ugly as hell. Okay. All right. That's all I got to say. All right. Ho ho ho! I'm so ugly. That's what he is. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. All right. This guy from Florida, you know, I bet them prison guards or them other prisoners gonna force him to take a bath. You know, if he dropped the soap, I guarantee you he not gonna pick it up. Okay, one more time. If he dropped the soap, I ain't gonna pick it up. He gonna say, "Excuse my language, y'all." I'm about to say this. He gonna say, "Man, fuck bathing. I love smelling funky." All right, Santa Claus, ugly Santa Claus, 55-year-old Santa Claus that can't find a woman his age. Don't drop the soap, okay? Bye bye, funky Santa Claus. I doubt it if he gonna watch this. A funky, ugly Santa Claus that can't even find a woman his age, but he want to stalk a 6-year-old girls. You ugly looking Santa Claus, funky freak, funky Santa Claus freak. That's what you are, a funky Santa Claus freak. All right. If that jerk get out of jail, let me know. And one more thing I want to say: if that's somebody related to y'all, I apologize if I offend anybody, except for him. If I offend him, I'm not sorry. Cause like I said, I dislike anybody that stalks little kids. Okay, I can't stand a person like that. Okay, like I say, they're children. They're supposed to be enjoying their childhood instead of living in fear. You know what I'm saying? No child should not be living in fear. Okay, any belly rubbers or morons gonna comment and take up for a bad guy, stay off my comments. Okay, stay off of my platform. If you want to take up for a stalker, take up for a pervert, stay off my platform. Cause I won't allow no belly rubbers, knuckleheads, or morons on my platform. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye bye.